Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor. Wanted to introduce you guys to my son, Jeffrey. This is my oldest son. He's 17 years old. I'm basically gonna teach him my trade, my skill, and he's joined this journey and he's now full force. You can see him all decked out with his up in smoke welding gear. Thank you to Mikey that hooked him up with that. We appreciate you, Mikey. 303 Welding. Don't forget to follow him and support him as well. He's a great guy. But yeah, as I'm teaching my son, I'm gonna teach you guys. So he's day, like green, 000 for a while, and he's been wanting to get his feet wet, man. And so he's full force in it. And anything you guys say, you want to say, son? No. So he don't talk much. He gonna be behind the camera shooting and filming for us, but he's also gonna be behind that hood and that face shield, welding and grinding away, trying to improve his future. And I want you guys to follow the journey, man. We're gonna really be diving deep into all this beginner type stuff because that's where it's at. The people that have never had it before. And one of the biggest things that he had was the grinder. He wanted the guard on the grinder and he wanted the handle. So I'm gonna preach that big time now. Put your guard on your grinder and definitely get yourself a handle. Did you feel safer with it on? Yeah, he felt a whole lot safer with it on. So that's our preach for today, man. Get your guards and get your handles on them grinders, because safety is really important. The last thing you're trying to do is miss a finger. Just kidding. It's true though. You'll lose a finger out here, man. I almost lost one, man. I've had a bad incident and almost took my finger off. So be careful out here, and welcome, guys. We out here grinding. That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna grind. All right, guys. We'll have to you later. Peace.